Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is the Diplomatic Wreath knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. I set the belt line as usual. Come over, just fold it in half or put a dimple in, however you want to do it. Bring it over to the center. I'm going to come up and over like so, like this. I'm using a knit tie. It doesn't really matter what tie you use. That's just what I'm choosing to use. Fold it in half. And then we're going to bring it back up through like this. Now I'm going to do a wreath. I'm going to come around like this. Then I'm going to unfold it and I'm going to bring it straight over the top. But then what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to kind of open this up right here. So you have a wreath over here, you have it folded, the folded in half part over here. I'm going to do another wreath at the bottom, and then come up. Got this right here. Then we're going to do another wreath and come back around like this. So we have this right here. So I'm going to want to do is kind of leave that spread out like that. There you have it. So there's your knot. On your assignment, friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.